Well, guys, I've accidentally stopped the video while I was trying to pick up the phone and did not know and carried on destroying the washing machine. Well, this is the aftermath then. So, it's lost the top panel. There's the top panel over there. That came off the first thing. This one, there's the control board. It's damaged bits of the machine. Little white bits of it that came off as well. There's the door. Look at that. Look at that. That's all bent completely out of shape. That is so. Looks like that is absolutely wrecked. Completely wrecked the machine. Well, anyway, this is the aftermath. Anyway, this is the aftermath. The motor still okay, but it's pretty came off the first attempt though. So there's the belt is in to stay in the machine. Well, I don't know where it is, and it's not worth spending hours taking the wash machine apart looking for it. So yeah. So there you go. House-made washing machine destruction then. See you later. Bye.